Hello everyone. Question is, a cloud engineer is designing a cloud native three-tier application. The engineer must adhere to the following security based practices. Minimal services should run on all layers of the stack. The solution should be vendor agnostic. Viralization could be used over physical hardware. Which of the following concepts should the engineer use to design the system to best meet these requirements? Option A, virtual machine. Option B, microservices. Option C, fan out. Option D, cloud provided managed services. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a junior cloud administrator was recently promoted to cloud administrator and has been added to the cloud administrator group. The Cloud Administrator group is the only one that can access the engineering VM. The new administrator unsuccessfully attempts to access the engineering VM. However, the other administrators can access it without issue. Which of the following is the best way to identify the root cause? Option A, rebooting the engineering VM. Option B, reviewing the administrator's permissions to access the engineering VM. Option C, allowing connections from 0.0.0.070 to the engineering VM. Option D, performing a packet capture on the engineering VM. Correct answer is option B. Question is, a critical security patch is required on a network load balancer in a public cloud. The organization has a major sales conference next week, and the chief executive officer does not want any interruptions during the demonstration of an application behind the load balancer. Which of the following approaches should the cloud security engineer take? Option A, ask the management team to deploy the conference. Option B, apply the security patch after the event. Option C, ask the upper management team to approve an emergency patch window. Option D, apply the security patch immediately before the conference. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a cloud engineer was deploying the company's payment processing application, but it failed with the following error log. Error: root transaction failed HTTP 429 response. Please try again. Which of the following are the most likely causes for this error? Choose two options. Option A, API throttling. Option B, API gateway outage. Option C, web server outage. Option D, oversubscription. Option E, unauthorized access. Option F, insufficient quota. Correct answer is option A and option F. Question is, a company uses containers stored in a Docker hub to deploy workloads or its IaaS infrastructure. The development team releases changes to the containers several times per hour. Which of the following should a cloud engineer do to prevent the proprietary code from being exposed to third parties? Option A, use IAC to deploy the IaaS infrastructure. Option B, convert the containers to VMs. Option C, deploy the containers over SSH. Option D, use private repositories for the containers. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a cloud engineer wants to replace the current on-premises unstructured data storage with a solution in the cloud. The new solution needs to be cost-effective and highly scalable. Which of the following types of storage would be best to use? Option A, file. Option B, block. Option C, object. Option D, SAN. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.